you back in December. I was feeling under the weather. You tried to make it all better, but now all we do is play telephone and never home anymore.
Good morning. It's officially 1 week until Christmas, but when you're watching this, it's gonna be Christmas Eve. So happy Christmas Eve. Good morning. Happy Monday. Feels like Tuesday, I don't know why. I just iced my face, hence I guess the water all over my neck. This is the Babe Lash lip mask. It's like a Laneige dupe. I actually love it. We are getting after it today. Obviously it's a work day, so I have work I need to get done, but we also need to get our lives together. So I got up extra early so I could start getting after it because I need to put laundry in. I need to put our Ring camera back. Finish taking out Christmas decor, clean out the fridge, clean the appliances, clean the bathroom, clean the sink, vacuum, pack, plus all my other normal responsibilities. I'm going to get to that, then get my work stuff situated. I did a little bit already, like pretty early. Let's get after it. Let's have a good day. Last full day in LA. I'll take you guys along with me. I'm wearing this hat again because my hair is dirty and I don't want to wash it until I get home because I don't want to wash it tonight and then wash it tomorrow night. We're just gonna rock the hat and it's kind of a vibe. I had my coffee from yesterday and my water. I'm whispering because it's early, but let's get to it. Okay, laundry is all ready to be put away. Back here I have some of my packing stuff. I was going to use the big packing cube, but I think I'm going to use a small one. So I'm going to put this all away quick. We are making great traction. I have pretty much everything packed. I have my makeup in here. Packing cube with clothes and then like toiletry bag you guys saw the other day. Makeup brushes, jewelry, all the stuff. And then I also have my outfit laid out. I'm going to wear this Aritzia sweatsuit and then I'm going to wear these sneakers. I just vacuumed as you saw, but now I have to clean all this disgustingness out of here. Let me do that and I will be back. I'm literally gonna put the gloves on. I just had a heart attack because I have a laser appointment and I completely forgot because it's so early and it was in my calendar, but I guess I just didn't check. So now we're running over there. They're really nice. I feel so bad though. I'm never late or forget about appointments. I literally have it in my calendar. What the heck?
At 9 in the morning.
I was literally rushing so hard because I'm never late for things and that just stressed me out. I also look like a truck driver. I need to put like some lip liner on or something. I just did a bunch of work, feeling good. I'm just like, this is my natural Adderall. Like I have it inherently. Just getting after it. I'm gonna do a few more things. I'm waiting on some people to answer my text so I could finish doing what they need me to do. And yes, so far so good. I'm gonna hang this Ring camera really quick though because I don't want to forget. This will work out. I'm gonna make breakfast quick for Jake and I'm gonna do a bacon, egg, and cheese on a bagel for him. And then I'm gonna do a bacon, egg, and cheese on toasted grilled sourdough with some truff. This is amazing. Truffle mayo, some tomatoes, some arugula. Really just clearing out the fridge here. So you guys will see the finished product. I just added some cheese to the eggs. This is what we're working with over here. I did avocado, tomato, some sea salt, the truffle spicy mayo on this side. We have Jake's bagel ready. Gonna add the bacon into the pan and then we will assemble the sandwiches. We're gonna do a diagonal cut always. That looks insane. Yum. I'm starving. This looks so good. Look at mine. It looks like a restaurant. What do you think?
Insane.
What's the rating?
10 out of 10.
Jake got me a new vlog camera. Isn't it gonna take up a lot of space? Show us the inside so we could see what it looks like. I gotta get back to work. Bye-bye. I'm gonna quick afternoon snack of carrots, celery, ranch, and I'm gonna have the grape poppy. I'm freezing! Why am I always so cold? Doc pop. Wow, yeah, I had a focus. That's delish. It's like it tastes like juice. I've been working on my computer all day. This is the checklist that I've gotten done. Little Jakey's playing video games. Sitting with the heating pad because my stomach is killing me. And yeah, I think I'm gonna make dinner later. I'll make everyone pasta for our last night. And hopefully we get a good sleep and then we are out of here tomorrow. Just took out stuff to make dinner quick. I'm gonna whip up some pasta. We're gonna use these bow ties. Going to use arrabbiata rails, and then I'm just gonna cook up some spinach. I chopped up a bunch of fresh garlic. We're gonna add that into this pan. It's literally going to cook down to nothing. And I have the pasta water boiling here. So we're just doing an easy dinner for our last night, clearing out the fridge with like the sauce and the spinach. So that's what's up. Here is dinner. Guess which one is mine. I'm gonna put these on the counter. We are all plated and it's looking delish. Yummy. Just finished dinner. Peppermint you already know. Kitchen is all clean. That's really all that we have going on. Back for round 2. Woohoo! Into the oven they go. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. I can't wait for these to cool. And then we can munch them with some milk.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you sad about the last one?
Yeah.
The last Christmas movie we get to watch together.
Devastating.
You're devastated?
Yeah, I'm gonna miss you. What I got? What I got?
What food's about to be here?
Great. Just like last night. Woo! Yummy. Got a spoon too. Happy Vlogmas Day 24. Last night in LA.
Last night in LA.
I look like got hit by a truck. Good night.
Good night.
Happy Vlogmas. Happy Christmas Eve.